In this video, I'm going to share with you an amazing bundle. So the folks at Blender Procedural are known for their amazing add-ons and assets, such as Dynamic Grass, TerraPaint, Fluffy Maker, SimFX, Imperfected, Attachify Pro, and so on, with over 60 more add-ons and assets like these. But you can get all these in the Ultimate Blender Add-ons bundle for as little as $119. Get the best value by purchasing all add-ons in one convenient package instead of buying them individually. So let's take a look at almost everything it comes with. Auto Painter AI for texturing your models in seconds, Blender AI Library, which turns images into 3D models, TerraBlend for realistic object blending, Easy Hex Tiles for creating tiles, Auto Depth AI for adding depth to the images, Curve Fluids to create fluid animations for maybe product commercials or for anything you like, and it is super easy to work with. AI Material Maker. SimFX for creating explosions, comes with presets and customizations. You can create fluid simulations with it, some lava sims, rigid body simulations, cloth simulations too. Fluffy Maker for adding fur to your animal models or cloths. Procedural building generators with different themes and assets. BlendFX for particle simulations, and a lot more, which I will not mention here because the video will get very long. So if you are thinking of getting it, then I will have the link to it in the description below. So, that's been it. Let me know what you guys think about this bundle in the comments below. If you like this video, then YouTube thinks you will also like these videos. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss out on my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.